Fruit desserts win the prize for the most charming names. Cobbler, Pandowdy, Charlotte, Slump, Grunt, and of course, Buckle. But where does the name Buckle come from? Tracing the origins of the name takes us back in time to early America. In the early 19th century, flour became more common, and homes in New England got stoves. Early pie recipes were often called puddings with a paste, and they were cooked on the stovetop. In 1846, baking soda was introduced, and rustic fruit and pastry dishes started to show up in cookbooks. But part of the difficulty in tracing the origins of the buckle is that the names used in the 1800s referred to different dishes than the names we use today. For example, tarts were usually called pies, and many historians think cobbler, pandowdy, and buckle were used interchangeably by early American bakers. Regardless, the charm of rustic fruit desserts is undeniable.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.